Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by charging the case and earbuds fully. This prevents intermittent disconnects and firmware interruptions. Once charged, enable Bluetooth on your phone or laptop and keep the device within 3 meters. Open the charging case to automatically place the earbuds into pairing mode. Watch for a blue/white flashing LED. If your device doesn't find them, close and reopen the case. Meanwhile, make sure no old pairings are blocking the connection. Now, select X08 from your device's Bluetooth list to begin the secure first pairing. Once paired, you configure audio and control settings to suit your habits. Open the companion app or your device's audio settings to adjust left/right balance and active noise cancellation levels. This optimizes clarity and comfort. Make a short call to test the microphone and switch between stereo and mono to check channel routing. Next, set touch controls, single tap, double tap. Press and hold so you can manage playback and voice assistant without fumbling. If firmware updates appear, install them now for improved stability. You finish with a fit check and a short troubleshooting routine. Try multiple ear tip sizes until you get a secure seal. This improves bass and ANC performance. Confirm both earbuds play evenly and that touch gestures respond consistently. If you encounter persistent issues, perform a factory reset by holding both earbud buttons for 10 seconds, then repair. And if audio drops or stutters, clear your device's Bluetooth cache, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then reconnect. These steps resolve most wireless glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.